This is Mobex. This is the chart that I found a week ago. We had a war in Iran. If there's one thing I think that myself on my chat room is very good at, it is finding momentum when it starts. It's been a market that really hasn't had this kind of momentum, but over the years, crises breed sector momentum. And with war breaking out, we had two sectors to look at. We had oil and we had defense. And this was a chart sitting at 18 cents. A quick little bit of research. Essentially, my write-up was MOBX defense stock. 18.1 cent breakout. You can see it right here. In this environment, this is a stock that could be a big mover. The 50-day moving average at 25 cents is the breakout. This is what happened shortly thereafter. Essentially, the next day. 575% move. They actually came out with a press release. Timing is everything when you're trading momentum. Currently, the stock's up 600%. What had me find this stock was, for a lot of people, looking back, should be easy, but it was just a matter of doing some quick research. Defense stock, defense systems. We're at war. Simple as that. I turned 18-cent stock into 575% plus gains. Money is booked. Free position now. If you want to find more of these momentum type trades, come join me in my chat room, buysellshort.net. Thanks.